Understanding "I was miles away" in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, "I was miles away." You might hear this in conversations and wonder, what does it mean? Is it about distance? Well, not quite. Let's explore this phrase together, understand its meaning, and learn how to use it in daily conversations. Get ready to enhance your English expressions. The phrase, "I was miles away," doesn't refer to physical distance. Instead, it's a metaphorical expression used when someone is not paying attention or is lost in their thoughts, completely unaware of their immediate surroundings or the current conversation. But why use miles? This idiom likely originates from the idea of one's mind wandering a great distance from the present moment. It vividly describes how someone can be physically present but mentally in another place entirely. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are some examples to show how it's typically used in conversations. Apologizing for inattention. "Sorry, I missed what you said. I was miles away thinking about my upcoming exam." Explaining a lack of response. "Did you call my name? I didn't hear you, I was miles away." Notice how the phrase is often used to apologize or explain why one was not responsive or attentive. While "I was miles away" is a commonly understood phrase in English-speaking countries, it's important to use it in the right context. It's generally informal and best used in casual conversations. In more formal or professional settings, you might opt for phrases like, "I was preoccupied," or "My attention was elsewhere." And that's a wrap on the phrase, "I was miles away." Remember, it's a colorful way to express that you were lost in thought and not paying attention to the immediate situation. Feel free to use this phrase in your casual conversations to add a touch of expressiveness to your English. Hope this video helped you understand and use "I was miles away" confidently. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.